Hey there! Today, you're about to learn about one of the fastest and easiest ways to make money online. And the best part is, there's no product creation required. You don't need to have a list. You don't even need to have any online marketing experience at all. You're about to be given the time-sensitive opportunity to get access to a high-quality business in a box that you can use to start making money with as soon as today. Money like this. This business in a box is one of the hottest markets online today. As you may already know, the market is evergreen, meaning you can start making money today and continue to make money for months or even years into the future. It's in demand. You're providing people with a product that they want and need, and you can get started as soon as today. Now, before I reveal the exact details of this opportunity, I want to ask you a question. Are you making the kind of income that you want online? Everyone's goals are different, but there's no question that the people that are earning the most online have a product of their own. Many marketers fail to see results online before they even get started. Maybe this describes you. Although many of the online gurus out there make product creation seem easy, it's actually very time-consuming and difficult to create a product. And in order to really see results online, you don't just need a well-researched product in a market that's hot. You need a lot of other stuff to actually make money. Things like a sales letter written by a skilled copywriter that is proven to convert, eye-catching graphics, and an awesome website that helps you turn visitors into buyers. Now, I don't know about you, but putting together a website with converting copy, modern graphics, and also creating a product is more than most marketers can handle. If you do it all on your own, it could easily take months to put it all together. Of course, the other option is to outsource all of it. You know, hire a designer and copywriter, get someone to do a bunch of research to make sure the product you're creating is something that people will actually buy. And then, of course, you have to pay someone to create the product. And although outsourcing all of this is much faster than doing it on your own, I mean, you could have everything done and ready to go within a few short weeks. It's expensive. To have a decent product created could easily set you back $500 to $1,000 or even more. When you factor in another $300 to $1,000 for a high-quality copywriter, another few $100s for web design and professional graphics, it can easily cost you $2,000 or even more for your own product along with the sales copy and graphics. It's no wonder why some people struggle to get their first online product off the ground and see results online. But what if there was a third option? What if you could literally shortcut the system and have your very own high-quality product in one of the most in-demand online markets that could put money in your pocket today, with no research or product creation, no outsourcing headaches, no waiting to make money? Well, introducing brand new done-for-you sales funnel with PLR. Here's exactly what you're going to get. Module 1, High-Quality Training Guide. A high-quality, professionally written ebook that you can put your name on and sell as your own. This ebook is well-researched and focused on the in-demand online topic, so you can be sure that people are going to be more than happy to whip out their credit card and purchase it. Module 2, Cheat Sheet. To go hand in hand with the ebook, you're also going to get this cheat sheet. Just like the ebook, you can sell this cheat sheet as your own and provide even more value to your customers. Module 3, Mind Map. To make this offer too good for your customers to pass up, you'll also get this mind map, which makes it easy for your customers to see results, and fast. And of course, you need converting sales copy to sell your ebook, cheat sheet, and mind map bundle. Module 4, Resource Report. Here, you'll have access to a complete niche research report showing you the best tools, training, blogs, forums, and infographics. Module 5, Ready-made sales letter and thank you page. As you can see, the sales copy is professionally written and ready to start converting your visitors into buyers. Module 6, Hypnotic Sales Video Promo. To make promoting your front-end offer and making sales even easier, we're going to give you 2 videos to choose from. First, a new generation doodle-style sales video, or a professionally created normal sales video. These videos are extremely popular because they work. People love them. And when you combine this with your professional sales page, you'll be making sales right out of the gate. Module 7, Legal Pages. You're going to need a professional-looking mini site if you want your customers to take you seriously. I've hired one of the best designers to make this website look like $1,000,000. Module 8, a full set of professionally designed graphics. You'll also get this beautiful mini site as well, with gorgeous modern graphics. As you can see, this package is done very nicely by a professional team of graphic designers and writers. If you were going to have this done on your own, you could easily pay up to $2,000 or even more for all of this. Module 9, 10 high quality and unique articles. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. You're also getting 10 articles with various in-demand topics. Getting articles of this type from a ghostwriter would cost $25 per article or more, but here you can have it for free. Module 10, stunning professionally designed banners. These banners are designed to get you clicks, so you can immediately start with a media buying campaign without having to create any banners yourself. Module 11, 5 high-converting promotional email swipes. If your customers don't buy your product initially, that doesn't mean you're out of luck. Increase your dollars per customer substantially with this 5 professionally written email follow-up sequence. Simply choose your email swipe, pick a subject line, paste it all into your autoresponder, and you're done. Module 12, 10 high-quality e-covers. E-covers really bring a digital product to life. It's proven that having high-quality, lifelike e-covers for your digital products increases buyer confidence and conversions. That's why we're going to include 10 beautifully designed e-covers that you can use in any way you wish. Module 13, Social Media Image Pack. With Facebook, Instagram, and the other social media sites getting bigger and bigger, the opportunity to engage with your audience and drive traffic is huge. Take any of these social media images, upload them to Facebook or Instagram, and watch the traffic roll in. Module 14, License Pack. Quite frankly, how you use all of this is up to you because you have private label rights, master resale rights, and resale rights to all of the above. It's your product. And here's why you should get this today. Unlike a lot of the PLR out there, this is a well-researched, top-notch package that will put money in your pocket. It's not some bottom-of-the-barrel, rehashed, oversold garbage. This content is fresh, evergreen, and what people are looking to spend money on right now. And because you get professional-grade sales copy and graphics for this evergreen niche, you can set this up and profit for years to come. Unlike affiliate marketing, you are in control. You keep all the buyers that land on your list, and you keep 100% of the profits. So at this point, you're probably wondering, what a complete business in a box like this will set you back, right? Well, when you consider the total real-world value of everything you're getting, it would be easy to pay $1,000 and still feel like you're getting a great deal. After all, the real-world value is over $3,129 if you were going to pay to have everything created for you. And keep in mind, this doesn't include the headache factor or cost for your time to get everything ready to go. And when you consider how much money you can make by offering such a solid, in-demand business in a box, it's pretty obvious that the value being offered here is massive. Even though this complete business in a box would easily be worth $1,000, you won't pay anywhere near that today. And you're not going to pay $500 either, or even $97. Because during our 4-day launch, you can get this complete business in a box for just $9.95. But this is a special offer and is extremely time sensitive. And this is being structured as a dime sale, so the price is going to go up. If you come back tomorrow, I can guarantee you that the price will be higher. And if you wait until the 4-day launch is over, the price will be $37 or more. The good news is getting started with this business in a box is extremely easy. There are just 4 steps required. 1. Click the button below and get instant access to the complete business in a box. 2. Put your name on the product and follow the simple step-by-step instructions that are included to get your new online business set up in just minutes. 3. Send some traffic to your new business in a box. We provide some great tips that you can use to generate free traffic right out of the gates, or supply your own traffic source. And number 4, profit. And here's the best part. you don't have to make a decision today. That's right. You're going to get a full 30 days to put your complete business in a box to the test. And if for any reason or no reason at all, you're not 100% satisfied with everything that you're getting, simply let us know and we'll refund every penny of your tiny investment. No questions asked. Click the button below and get started today. There's no risk. And if you make just one sale, your business in a box will completely pay for itself. Now at this point, you have a couple of options. You can continue to struggle and spend countless hours and hundreds or even thousands of dollars getting your online business started. Or you can take advantage of this complete business in a box today for less than you spend on a large pizza. Now listen, even though the investment amount is small, what you're getting has the potential to put $100 per day, $200 per day, or even more in your pocket as soon as today. So click the button below to get started now. After you click the button, you'll get instant access to your business in a box, even if it's 3:02 in the morning. So go ahead and do it right now. Don't delay. Get your business in a box today.